So today I am unboxing beauty toys. This is the Red by Kiss 2000 detangler ceramic. It's not what I usually use, but this is all they had available and I needed a new blow dryer. So we're going to open it on up and we see this pretty and pink blow dryer. I'm used to the handleless blow dryers. I've been using them for so long, but we'll see. As you can see, it comes with 2 comb attachments wrapped in the plastic for sanitation. Okay, thank you. And another attachment, I forget what it's called. I never use it, but that's here too. And of course, an instruction manual when they showing you all their other blow dryer products. Now this blow dryer was relatively cheap on the price range. I want to say it was maybe $25. So I'm not expecting it to last a while. But have y'all noticed that the fancy blow dryers never come with comb attachments? And us, textured hair types, we need those comb attachments.